Oh, yeah, today I will show you how to use the index and match function. And index and match function is a very good tool to find out data from a large sheet. Suppose you know the salary of Ruby from a data of 1000, but you know who what is the salary of Ruby, or you know that you but and you also want to know that 62,000 $5 payment of who actually you just know the salary amount, and you want to find out who has actually got that amount. So at first, if I look at the index function, so click yes, index. There is three options for index function. One is called array, one is called row, and one is called column. So first of all, if I click the array, then the column number. The column number is 1. The column the row number is I think the row number is can be 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. The row number I can press 5, enter. So in index I can get that any value that who is the person of row 5, and there is also another option, index. Now I select the whole range of data, and the row number I can select 6. I can also select the column number. Then the column number is 1. Enter this data, and if I click 2, then it will give me the value, the salary what actually calculated. So now you can ask me then what is the function of match. Both are actually the same, but they work differently. Match actually give you the row number for match, and what value do you want to look up. So right now I want to look up value for 161072, and what is the lookup array. So my lookup array is here, and what type of match do you want. Is it less than 1 or greater than? Is the value less than, greater than, or is it exact match? That means that if 161072 is not listed on here, if you select less than or greater than, then it will give you the most nearest solution. But I will just right now use the exact match. Tab, enter. Now you can understand that this value is on row 7. If there is almost 1000 or 2000 data, then you can easily find the uh, which row cell actually contains the value of 161072. If I click 89707, hit enter, it is giving me 3. So the 89707 is listed on row 3. Now the most toughest function. Suppose I know the salary of some person, but I do not know who is that guy. I know that some person has got a salary of 161072 or 237134, but I want to know who is that person got that salary. So for the reason, I write the formula index, and I just want to know who got the salary. So I will select the range, and I will right now I will try to find out the match and the lookup value. Lookup value is this one, and the my lookup array is this one, and there is an exact match tab. Now is the Abi is the person who actually got this amount. So right now, if I write other value, suppose 62005, it will give you the information of Ruby. In other way, you can also write it hello here 62005. It will also give you the Ruby, and if you write down the person 237134, it will give you the value of count. So how the function is actually working, you just need to know. I'm just writing down, but something you might forget about this. Before writing a function, you just need to remember on that what do you want to do, what do you want. So you know an unknown salary, but you want to find out the guy who actually got the salary. Today in my office, I found a similar problem that I saw that and a person was inactive, he got 2,307 bucks, but I'm not finding out who is that guy who actually got the money, because he was actually inactive in his salary sheet. So uh, index function will give you the name, and the match function will actually generating the row number. So it is actually giving you the row number 5. So how index function work, if I see again, the index function work based on the array range and row number, and column function and match function gives you the row number is 3. So I have just combined the two function together. I just write down the match function between the index function, and it gives the exact name of how it